Yeah, ano tingin mo sa reaction naman ng mga ibang tao after the hearing? Kasi di ba, daming mga may opinion eh.
If you look at how the DDS people would react, it's really they're very, very defensive. They're trying to they come up with different yarnos. But it's so hard to question Madriaga, especially after their principal said, "I don't know Madriaga." So that alone, you can hang the testimony of Madriaga on their heads. Sabi mo, akala ko sabi ng amo nyo, hindi niya kilala. Ito lahat
Ang daming ang daming.
Doon pa lang bugbog na sila. Sasabihin, and ang sagot ni Attorney Duterte, Panelo, fiction niya hindi credible. Incredible as what? Wala ka nang sabi. Di ba?
Pero si future Senator Judge Amy Marcos yata, hindi nag-agree sa'yo eh.
Hindi natin, just between the two of us, because he cannot doon. I think tama ka because the role of a senator judge is to be impartial. Di ba? And unfortunately, I think if I saw the news na parang nagsalita si Senator Amy Marcos on Madriaga. So how does that work on being an impartial judge? I remember kasi si Senator Risa Ontiveros was asked about Sara Duterte, binanatan siya. Sabi niya, I cannot comment on that because I will be a senator judge in the impeachment case in case it reaches the Senate.
Actually, last year, nung unang impeachment pa lang, nung in-interview si Senator Rapi Tulfo, yun din yun eh. He was very careful to say na, hindi ako magko-comment kasi I will sit as a judge.
Medyo I think even if assuming she believes that Madriaga is not credible. But since she already said her piece, how does that work on being an impartial judge?
Okay.
Diba? That's a question mark. I don't know if the prosecutors will act on it, but basically, sana hindi na lang siya nagsalita.
Okay. So far as the schedule is concerned, 22, 29. Di ba? Yan ang
22.
Sa tingin mo ba magde-29 pa?
Tatlo eh. Alam ko, tatlo si Net eh.
Originally, yun ang
schedule
ni Madam Chair, no? Chair Jinky. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari next sa schedule here.
But can I just ask you, wait a minute. Sa akin, the people in the House saw it and they were very impressed with the conduct of Madriaga. And parang, nga pala ito na dugtong na tawag doon, you're able to thread everything na, especially on the...
yung jigsaw puzzle nga eh. Yung piece eh.
Maliwanag sa tingin ng mga taong nasa our driver, our tawag doon, kasambahay, nanood sila. So, naintindi nila yung kwento. Maganda yun, very laymanish yung ang pagkalatag ninyo. At saka yung nagtataka siya, ba't parati ni-o-objectan ni Luis itong mga to? Kasi nga, dapat talagang hindi ka pwede magtanong ng mga hindi clarificatory questions.
Yes.
Kitang talagang binigyan ng proseso, binigyan ng tinutuon ni Jinky Luistro yung...
At tatlong members. So, very professional yung conduct.
At itong mga ito na nagro-rule na rin. And also the members who were really very submissive to the ruling of the committee. Kaya maganda. Ikaw, ano tingin mo?
Hindi ako, I was impressed by yung strictness of yung the way the proceedings were conducted. Napakaingat. At despite yung limitations, self-imposed by the House to stick to clarificatory questions, still, ang daming lumabas, tingin ko, na mga ebidensyang importanteng mapakinggan dito.
Kaya, di ba, remember, you're asking, ano ngayon ang kinikwento ngayon ng DDS about the painting, di ba? It's so alien to the main topic.
Pero maski yung painting, alam ko, may sumagot na nun eh.
Anong sagot niya?
Na iba yung painting na sinasabi.
Ano ba yung sinasabi ng DDS?
Meron kasi yatang part ng Madriaga affidavit na sinasabi niya na meron siyang binigay na painting kay VP Sara na pinaint ng isang scholar from Laguna.
Right.
Tapos may pangalan siyang binigay. May nagsalita na artist from Davao na sinasabi na hindi totoo yan, yung painting na yan, ako gumawa, ako nagbigay niyan kay VP Sara in 2021. So yun yung inaano nila para pakita na ano. Pero alam ko, meron ako nakita, of course, hindi ko alam kung totoo hindi, pero meron ng sagot eh. Na apparently, the painting that he was referring to is a different painting, although pag pinagtabi mo, very similar yung yung theme. At sinasabi niya, ito yung pinaint nung at may picture pa nung supposed, naawa nga ako doon kasi ngayon madadamay na yun sa buong usapang ito. Yung scholar na supposedly gumawa ng painting na yun.
So, nililihis kumbaga yung
Pero,
kwento.
Sabihin mo lang ano yun, so, wala naman kinalaman yun doon sa ano eh.
Sagutin niyo talaga yung tanong. Akala ko sabi mo, si Sara hindi kilala si Madriaga. But ano itong lahat ng toneladang ebidensya na kilala ni Sara si Madriaga? Doon pa lang, bugbog na sila eh. Bugbog na yung... Kaya it's hard to really... Very credible si ano.
So, may idea na ba kayo kung kailan posible yung trial? Kasi ang resumption ng May 4, tama ba?
Ang resumption ng Congress is May 4.
May
no?
4.
So, syempre, iakit pa to sa plenary.
Oo
Hindi ko
nga.
pa alam kung kailan nakaschedule yan. Dahil
Magkakaroon ba ng special session during the recess o hihintayin na yung May 4?
matatapos tayo is is
29.
April 29 eh. Tapos na rin yun eh. The following week,
So
May
malamang
4 na eh.
hintayin na yung
So,
Hindi ba yan, I don't know Congressman, but May 4 pwede bang they will inform us, tapos na ang hearing, we will pass it on to plenary. So May 4, pwede bang nasa plenary na kaagad yun? There's a motion to bring it up.
kasi
to
lalabas
plenary.
muna ng ng committee report.
Wala pang report nga
Wala
pala.
pang report.
Okay.
Gagawa pa ng committee report. And then after the committee report,
10 days?
i-agenda yan.
Tama. Within 10 days, tama ba?
I-agenda dun sa plenaryo, di ba?
Oo.
Now, sa plenaryo, kailangan namin ng 1/3.
Pero ano mangyayari
Which is
sa plenary?
right now 106?
105,
105.
Di ba?
Pero ano mangyayari sa plenary? What happens during plenary?
Magbobotohan.
Pero is there going to be a debate of those anti and those in favor?
Hindi mo naman, kasi pag nagkaroon ng botohan, pwede sila magsalita.
Yung vote nila,
explanation
the
of vote.
Explanation of vote. Diba?
Doon lang yun. Pero everybody will be furnished a copy of the report.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
Kasi basically, voting on yung adoption ng committee recommendations.
Yes.
By the way, just so I forgot, and I just saw this because Ronald Llamas texted me this survey. Thank you, Ronald. Alas 5 mo, ginising mo ako. The survey from Okta, which shows that the people really want an impeachment trial to be conducted in the Senate.
61%?
61%.
67.
67.
It's overwhelming na. More than majority. Gusto talagang makita magkaroon na. Even in Mindanao, by the way, it's above 50 yata yung survey doon. Gusto talaga lahat makita na magkaroon ng trial sa Senado. That shows confidence. Especially what you did right now. Pag nagkaroon pa ng survey yan, makikita na if your survey, how do you find the proceeding in the House? That would garner a very positive response. I saw the news. For those who did not watch the live trial and just base it on the news were very, 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 very clear. They laid out what were the important things that happened during the impeachment proceeding yesterday. And you will end up being convinced that maayos ang pagka-present ng House sa affidavit ni Madriaga.
Okay.
So very positive ang news insofar as the House is concerned because owing to the fact that there was no side, the other side wasn't there.
Oo.
So they gave the entire microphone, the entire podium to the House, to the prosecution.
Which is, yun yung pag-question ko dun sa viability of yung strategy.
So you're saying
na ito.
magre-recalibrate ba sila the next time?
Kung ako, at the minimum, dapat nag-uusapan yun. Kasi parang ito nilalagay nila lahat, they're putting all their eggs in the Supreme Court basket.
Yes.
Yun.